Welcome to this series on sales and customer success. In today's video, we're exploring integration for customer success. We'll learn how to connect your customer success tools with sales, support, and product platforms to create seamless workflows that benefit your entire organization. Why does integration matter? First, it drives efficiency by eliminating manual data entry and reducing workflow friction across teams. Second, it ensures data consistency by keeping customer information synchronized across all platforms in real time. Third, integration enables better decisions by giving you access to unified insights across sales, support, and product data. Finally, it promotes team alignment by enabling seamless collaboration between customer success, sales, support, and product teams. Let's visualize how integration works. Your customer success platform acts as the central hub. It connects to your sales CRM on one side, your support tool on another, and your product operations platform below. All these platforms communicate with each other through your customer success platform, creating a unified ecosystem where information flows freely between departments. Customer success to sales integration works in 4 key ways. First, sync your customer health scores to your sales pipeline so sales reps understand account status. Second, share expansion opportunities that your customer success team has identified. Third, enable sales to track renewal risk signals early so they can act proactively. Fourth, facilitate smooth account handoffs and collaboration between customer success and sales teams. This integration syncs customer health, usage metrics, and expansion potential in real time, enabling proactive sales engagement and ultimately increasing deal velocity and customer lifetime value. Customer success to support integration involves 4 essential flows. First, share customer context and account history so support agents have complete information. Second, alert support teams to high-risk or premium accounts that need priority attention. Third, track support tickets as health indicators to identify potential churn. Fourth, identify upsell and adoption opportunities from support interactions. This integration syncs account tier, health score, and active projects. Support tickets feed back into your customer success dashboards, creating a two-way information flow. The benefit is faster issue resolution and improved customer satisfaction scores. Customer success to product integration creates a feedback loop in 4 ways. First, share feature adoption and usage patterns so product teams understand which features customers value. Second, report customer feedback and pain points directly to product teams. Third, track bugs and issues affecting your key accounts so critical problems get priority. Fourth, prioritize your product roadmap based on customer success insights. This integration syncs usage metrics, feature engagement, and customer feedback. Your customer success voice becomes integrated into product decisions, resulting in better product alignment with actual customer needs. When implementing integrations, follow these best practices. First, start with core data. Begin with essential customer data fields before expanding scope to avoid overwhelming complexity. Second, get stakeholder buy-in by aligning sales, support, and product teams on the integration benefits. Third, test thoroughly by validating data accuracy and sync frequency before rolling out to your entire organization. Fourth, train your teams to ensure all departments understand how to leverage the integrated data effectively. Be prepared for common integration challenges. First, data silos occur because different platforms use different data models and field definitions. You'll need to map these fields carefully. Second, sync delays can happen since real-time sync may not be available for all platforms. Understand your update frequency requirements. Third, data quality is critical. Remember, garbage in equals garbage out. Ensure you have clean data before integrating. Fourth, API limitations exist because not all platforms offer APIs, and some have rate limits or restricted access. Plan accordingly. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, integration is essential for breaking down silos between your teams. Second, your customer success platform acts as the central hub connecting sales, support, and product. Third, data consistency and real-time sync drive better decisions across your organization. Fourth, success requires careful planning, thorough testing, and strong team alignment from the start. By implementing these integrations thoughtfully, you'll create a more efficient, aligned, and data-driven organization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.